door's not even open. Hey, sir. The door's not open. Can someone open the door? No, it's not, bro. Alright. Yes. Oh, damn. All right. So. Oh. I don't have the keys. All right. Oh, damn. All right. So, I guess I'll just talk about my tripod for a sec. So, I got this tripod that is Bluetooth, where, like, you connect it. Oh, where you connect it is Bluetooth, and then there's this camera button where you can play or pause the video or take a photo with it. And, yeah. Yeah? Yeah, boy. Ooh, swerve. So yeah. So there's like something, you can't see it, but like a little handle here where you put it. Vroom. Vroom.
Lo llevaste en el...
Oil change. So we're going to do an oil change for his car. Is it gonna take a long time, sir?
Well, like 10, 15 minutes. We're gonna go to the Express oil change. They're pretty quick.
What, sir? Okay.
They don't even take the table because it's so heavy.
No, nobody wants to run out with it.
No, not even the little car.
So we're gonna...
Yeah, we'll do the oil change.
It's gonna take forever.
No, this is like the Express. You know, I pull up and they get under the car and they do the draining. And
Yeah, boy. Let's see, go. Feels like I'm gonna die. Oh.
Barbie doesn't like the cheese and bread.
Oh, hell no. Oh, hell no. Soup.
Va a ser de ese chicken que te gusta, Angel.
Oh, okay, better. I ain't no more soup. Every time we go to my mom's friend's house, there's always soup.
My friends. Yeah, your friends.
I said my mom's friend.
What does it, my friend?
Bro, stop. You're not funny, bro.
We said we're gonna do it. We're gonna take a drive. Look at Angel. Record the houses, bro.
Angel, look at this one.
Right here.
Wow, look at this
These
one.
guys are gonna win it.
This one.
See that?
Wow.
Bro, it's all blurry because you don't slow down. You don't catch nothing.
No.
What about this one right here? Ah, this was a winner. Let's give it the
Babylon?
Yes.
Yeah, it's instant oil change, bro. Instant.
Bro, it better be
I don't
instant.
Get something.
Mama.
Hey, you can't make fun on YouTube, bro. We can't make fun on YouTube.
Ahí está, mira. They have my spot right there open bar. Yeah, look at me, boy. You better hurry up. I'm the mall chick right now.
15 minutes, bro. You said 10.
Oh, fuck that.
You
Beat
said
you, bro.
10.
Beat you, bro. You can't fade me.
You said 10, bro. You said 10. Oh.
Why are you doing that? You're getting dizzy.
So they go underground?
That guy trying to beat me behind the truck.
But they go underground. But they, oh, one's covering it. Alright guys, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe if you guys enjoy this content that I give for you guys. So we already got out of the oil changes. My phone's about to die and I don't have no charger with me, so that's why I'm just gonna leave because I have no charger. I got like 10%. And yeah guys, thank you guys so much for watching. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.